stage. Okay. Ate, hold the balloon. Hawakan mo yung balloon, ate. Ayan. Guniti ang balloon, te. And hawak si Oli dito na side. Hold the balloon, Oli. Yes. Again, ipasa-pasa ang balloon pagka-play ng music. Papunta lahat doon. In 3, 2, 1, burst! Balloon, go! Pagkulit yung balloon. Ipasa doon, pasto kuya. Make it faster. Ayan na, sige, the balloon. Okay. Alright. Yes! Ganun ang nangyayari sa ating game. But that was a trial round. Okay, wala pa muna ma-out. Trial round muna yun. Pass! Balloon, go! Yes, make it faster! 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 Let's go to the ring. Okay, what is your name? Unsay pangalan nimo?